Sometimes a project is budgeted in a foreign currency, say you are importing equipment priced in US dollars. ZetaFisc handles that too. We name the project. Describe it. Set its start and end dates. And set the budget currency to US dollars. A planning rate appears, the exchange rate we use to convert this budget back to our base currency for reporting. We clear the default and enter it. Then we budget in dollars as normal. And a note for the record. When we create it, ZetaFisc keeps the dollar budget for the project and shows the naira equivalent everywhere it reports, so foreign currency jobs stay perfectly comparable with the rest of your portfolio.